how to do a quick and easy 4th of July arrangement, maybe with something that you have around the house. We have this lantern that's supposed to have a candle in there. We're going to take the glass piece out. I've got a dish that I have put Oasis in, and I'm going to first just cover the Oasis real quick with some greenery so that you don't see the plastic container in the base. I'm keeping it low and small because it's got to fit inside here. So when I'm putting it in, I want to make sure that it's covering and hiding the base as best I can. Same thing on this side. And this is actually just burning bush that a lot of people have in their yards as shrubbery. And so you can use that just to give it a good look. I'm going to put just a little extra in here just to have it look okay. Okay, so I've got this, and now I've got echinacea that I got out of the garden, and it's in white. And then I've got a hydrangea, and I've got some tansy that I can work with. So keeping this really simple, since this is blue, this is my white, and here's my red for the red, white, and blue. So we're going to put our bow on there too. When you're working with something like this and you're not sure exactly how it's going to work, like I said, I'm not going to be putting the glass back on there, so I'm using this so I can have things coming out of it. So I'm going to start working. Remember that you can always shorten things, but if you cut too much off, you can't put it back on after you've cut it. I'm going to use the echinacea.
Join us next week on Friday for Fresh Flower Focus, and come grab your Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go Kit featuring floral design starting July 6th on Monday.